the inspired actor here with today's bonus archetypal gesture of Penetrate. Penetrate. Begin in a neutral stance, feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. Inhale. Take a small step back with your right leg, keeping your weight on your left. In a fluid motion, bring your hands together in front of you, then pull your right elbow towards your backspace while extending your left arm. It should feel almost like you are holding a bow and arrow. In this extension, your arms are parallel to the floor, your right foot is slightly behind you, but not bearing any weight. Your hips are slightly turned toward your right side. On an exhale, perform the following movements. With your right foot, take a step forward while twisting your body 90 degrees. Your back foot turns on the ball and is now at roughly a 45-degree angle. With your head facing forward, the rest of your body is now open to the side. At the same time, your hands come easily together again and then extend toward opposing directions. Your right arm should finish extending in front of you and your left arm is extending behind you. Your fingers are extended and pointing with a feeling of ease toward the directions of the arms. While maintaining the pose, radiate the feeling of the gesture with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded. Like all gestures, this can be reversed with the opposite arms and legs doing the motions. Whichever way feels more comfortable for you in the moment is the correct way to do it. The most important thing is that you are getting the full feeling of penetrate from the gesture. This gesture feels like a mixture of pulling, pushing, and expanding. And that makes sense. When we are trying to penetrate into the other in the scene with us, we are pushing into them, pulling something out of them, and absorbing whatever we pull out and expanding as a result of that. As an objective or tactic, penetrate can be used to get information from someone or to get to know them, to find out what they're hiding in their heart or in their mind, to get them to crack or get them to open their heart. You can play with different parts of your scene partner's body to focus this gesture, and each differing focal point might have a different psychological result, so feel free to play with that. Let me know what you think of this gesture. Does it awaken something in you that I haven't mentioned? As with all gestures, don't forget to use your full body and breath, and especially remember your feeling of ease and your feeling of form. See you guys later.